integrating factors. Integration is a method of adding or summing up the parts to find the whole. It is a reverse process of differentiation where we reduce the function into parts. This method is used to find the summation under a vast scale. Example, y times 3y minus 4x plus 3 dx plus x times 2x minus x plus 1 dy equals 0. Substitute muna natin sila times magiging 3y squared minus 4xy plus 3y dx plus 2xy minus x squared plus x times dy. After nyan, alamin natin kung exact ba sila. Sa una, merong xy minus 4x plus 3. Sa pangalawa naman, 2y minus 2x plus y. So, hindi sila exact. Kailangan natin gawin is minus natin sila pareho. So, ang sagot, 4y minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 2 times 2y minus x plus 1. So, next gawin natin, ganito, i-divide natin sa 1 over n times m, partial m over y minus partial n over x equals to 2x. Then, substitute natin dito sa y is equal to e raised to integral of 2 over y is equal to e raised to 2 ln x is equal to e ln x squared equals to x squared. After nyan, i-substitute na natin yung x squared. Magiging 3x squared y squared minus 4x cubed y plus 3x squared y times dx plus 2x cubed y minus x raised to 4 plus x cubed times dy equals to 0. Then, alamin natin kung exact ba sila. Then, answer is x squared 6x squared y equals to 4x cubed plus 3x squared. Then, yung isa, 6x squared y is equal to 4x cubed plus 3x squared. So, exact sila. Pwede na tayong mag-proceed sa next step. F is equal to integral of 3x squared y squared minus 4x cubed y plus 3x squared y dx. Then, f is equal to x cubed y squared minus x raised to 4y plus x cubed y. Then, partial f over y is equal to 2x cubed y is equal to x raised to 4 plus x cubed. Then, ang answer is x cubed y squared minus x raised to 4y plus x cubed y is equal to c.